Notice the information contained in these lessons may describe breathing exercises or show other wellness practices, such as stretching and yoga poses. All content is for general wellness information purposes only. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. It is best to consult with your doctor before you start any wellness, exercise, or nutrition program or have questions about any medical conditions you are experiencing. Please stop immediately if you experience pain, soreness, fatigue, shortness of breath, dizziness, lightheadedness, blurred vision, headache, nausea, sickness, illness, dehydration, excessive sweating, or any other discomfort. What are some healthy snack options? What role does meal prep have in a healthy diet? In a fast paced world, it is important to know the key principles of good nutrition and how you can use these principles to take steps towards a better, healthier future. Learn how you can take control of your nutrition and introduce healthy habits in nutrition for a busy life. This course will help you learn to make healthy snacking decisions by explaining the benefits of different snack options, learn how to prepare healthy meals in advance by understanding the importance of meal prep in a healthy diet, and make healthy choices by exploring different healthy options you can make during a busy day. It can be difficult to maintain healthy choices in a fast paced environment. Learn how to avoid many of the common challenges in nutrition for a busy life.